Do you want to speak with confidence like these amazing personalities? Then you must go to muslimmastery.com/confidence. Every single one of these amazing speakers have taken the same program with Brother Mohammad Arshad. He specializes in helping Muslims to overcome their fears, doubts and anxieties to become world-class speakers. You can access his free training now at muslimmastery.com/confidence. In this short but empowering video, you'll discover the 3 biggest lies people believe about confidence and communication, the 1 foundational concept that will transform your influence and impact forever, and the 3 secret tools that instantly boost your rapport and relationships.
Mohammad Arshad has helped develop all of us.
It's extremely beneficial to do this course.
Definitely recommend this course.
His tools and his hacks and his mindset totally gave me a paradigm shift.
Expect to become a better communicator and understanding the underpinnings of effective communication.
Go to muslimmastery.com/confidence to access the free life-changing training now.